Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight stocks with serious momentum. I'm Mitchell, and today we're covering ADTX Inc., ticker ADTX, a biotech innovation platform focused on reprogramming in the immune system, promising technologies like ADI-100, a DNA-based therapeutic for autoimmune conditions, and ADTX score for immune monitoring. 2025 has brought key advancements. Subsidiary Adammune recently highlighted progress toward FDA submission for ADI-100, showcasing its novel approach to inducing immune tolerance. Combined with strategic governance reforms and updates on subsidiaries like Pure Santa and BidX Bio, the company is positioning for growth. The market is responding strongly. Shares have rocketed over 40% in recent trading sessions, climbing to around $2.10 amid heightened volume and investor optimism on these catalysts. As the dynamic biotech space, ADTX is gaining traction fast. Is this rally sustainable or a momentum play? Drop your thoughts below. Buy, hold, or watch. Like for more biotech surges, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some money. Become a member of my channel today. See you in the next one.